हेलो एवरीवन समस्त को स्वागत। तो आज आम डिस्कसन करवा कि MCQs फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर उपरे। तो स्टार्ट करवा देखा प्रथम क्वेश्चन तुम कौन रही। द टर्म कंप्यूटर इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम डैश। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन लैटिन, सेकंड जर्मन, थर्ड फ्रेंच, फोर्थ अरबिक। राइट आंसर रहिबो लैटिन। हु इज द इन्वेंटर ऑफ डिफरेंस इंजिन। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन अलेन ट्यूरिंग, सेकंड चार्ल्स बाबेज, थर्ड साइमन क्रे, फोर्थ ऑगस्टा एडामिंग। तो राइट आंसर रहिबो डिफरेंस इंजिन रो इन्वेंटर होचंदी चार्ल्स बाबेज। Who is the father of computer? Alan Turing, Charles Babbage, Seymour Cray, Augusta. Right answer रहिबो Charles Babbage. Father of computer is Charles Babbage. Who is the father of computer science? Alan Turing, Charles Babbage, Seymour Cray, Augusta. Right answer रहिबो Alan Turing. Who is the father of personal computer? Edward Robert, Alan Turing, Charles Babbage, none of these. Right answer रहिबो Edward Robert. Personal computer रो father होचंती Edward Robert. नेक्स्ट देखो ए CPU contains dash a card reader and a printing device. Second option an analytical engine and a control unit. Third option a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit. Fourth option an arithmetic logic unit and a card reader. A CPU contains a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit. C option right answer रहिबो. Which of the following controls the process of interaction between the user and the operating system? First option user interface, second language translator, third platform, fourth screen saver. Right answer रहिबो user interface. The first computers were programmed using dash. First computers were programmed using dash. First option assembly language, second machine language, third source code, fourth object code. Right answer is B option machine language. Dash is a combination of hardware and software that facilitate the sharing of information between computing device. Dash is the combination of hardware and software that facilitate the sharing of information between computing and device. First option network, second peripheral, third expansion board, fourth digital device. Right answer is first option network. Coded entries which are used to gain access to computer system are called dash. First option entry code, second password, third security commands, fourth code words. The right answer is B option password. Which of the following statement is true? First option mini computer works faster than microcomputer. Second option microcomputer works faster than mini computer. Speed of both the computer is the same. Fourth option the speed of both these computers cannot be compared with the speed of advanced computer. So right answer is first option mini computer works faster than microcomputer. First option is right option. So next देखो you organize files by storing them in dash. First option archives, second folders, third indexes, fourth lists. The right answer is B option folder. What type of resources is most likely to be shared common resource in a computer network? First option printer, second speaker, third floppy disk drive, fourth keyboard. Right answer is first option printer. Which device is required for the internet connection? Joystick, modem, CD drive, NIC card. Right answer is B option modem. Modem is required for the internet connection. It is important question mane rakhibo. What is a light pen? First option a mechanical input device, second option optical input device, third option electric input device, fourth option optical output device. Right answer is second option optical input device. A light pen is optical input device. UNIVAC is dash. First option universal automatic computer, second universal array computer, third unique automatic computer, fourth unvalued automatic computer. Right answer is first option universal automatic computer. CD-ROM stands for dash. Compactable read-only memory. Second option compact data read-only memory. Third compactable disk read-only memory. Fourth compact disk read-only memory. तो CD-ROM रो फुल फॉर्म होची compactable disk read-only memory. C option right answer रहिबो. ALU is dash. Arithmetic logic unit, array logic unit, application logic unit and none of these. Right answer is A option arithmetic logic unit. VGA is dash. Video graphic array, visual graphic array, volatile graphic array, video graphic adapter. तो right answer is video graphic array. तो जो थे ऑप्शन देथिबो वीडियो ग्राफिक आरे और विजुअल ग्राफिक आरे तो से पिला कन्फ्यूज हेबे कहीं दुईटा सारा माने ठीक रहिबो तो एमती ऑप्शन केबे भी दबो नाही जदि भी दउची तेबे तुमे वीडियो ग्राफिक आरे रे राइट आंसर मारिबो ए ऑप्शन राइट रहिबो IBM 1401 इज डैश IBM 1401 इज डैश फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर सेकंड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर थर्ड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर और फोर्थ जनरेशन कंप्यूटर तो राइट आंसर इज सेकंड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर IBM 1401 इज ए second type of second generation computer B option is right answer MSI stands for dash first option medium scale integrated circuit second option medium system integrated circuit third medium scale intelligent circuit fourth medium system intelligent circuit तो MSI stands for medium scale integrated circuit A option right answer है the capacity of 3.5 inch floppy disk is dash first option 1.40 MB second 1.44 GB third 1.40 GB fourth 1.44 MB the capacity of 3.5 inch floppy disk is 1.44 MB D option is right answer 1 stands for dash WN1 stands for dash WAP area network wide area network wide array net wireless area network right answer is B option wide area network MICR stands for dash magnetic ink character reader magnetic ink code reader magnetic ink cases reader none so right answer is first option magnetic ink character reader MICR is a magnetic ink character reader EBCDIC stands for dash right answer is extended binary coded decimal interchange code first option is right answer extended binary coded decimal interchange code EBCDIC next which of the following is a part of central processing unit first option printer second keyboard third mouse fourth arithmetic logic unit is right answer D option is right answer CAD stands for dash computer aided design computer algorithm for design computer application in design computer analog design CAD stands for computer aided design first option is right answer junk email is also called dash junk email is also called spam A option is right answer hackers are dash so right answer is B option break into other people's computer B option is right answer next देखो what type of computers are client computer first option mainframe computer second mini computer third microcomputer fourth PDA so right answer is microcomputers are client computers next a computer cannot boot if it does not have the dash first option compiler second loader third operating system fourth assembler the right answer is C option operating system the amount of vertical spaces between lines of text in a document is called dash first option double space second line spacing third single space fourth vertical spacing right answer is B option line spacing example of non numeric data is dash first option employee address second examination score third bank balance fourth all of these right answer is A option employee address what is embedded system the D option is right answer the computer and software system that control the machine is called embedded system the computer and the software system that control the machine right answer is D option next the first page of website is termed as dash first page of website is termed as home page A option is right answer dash is the appearance of type character size format point color dash is the appearance of type character so B option is the right answer format is the appearance of typed character when a file is saved for the first time तो प्रथम थर पर जिते फाइल टाक आम सेव करूँ तो कौन होता है ए कॉपी इज ऑटोमेटिकली प्रिंटेड बी ऑप्शन इज इट मस्ट बी गिवन ए नेम टू आइडेंटिफाई इट थर्ड ऑप्शन इज इट डज नॉट नीड ए नेम fourth is it only needs a name if it is not going to be printed the right answer is B option it must be given a name to identify it जदि आमे ताकू ना दौचु अदरवाइज कंप्यूटर निजे देदेव कि जदि तुम करुच एक्सेल रे तेबे एक्सेल रो ना दबो जदि पावर पॉइंट रे प्रेजेंटेशन 1 दबो एक्सेल ले कले डॉक्यूमेंट व्हेन ए फाइल इज सेव्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ए कॉपी इज ऑटोमेटिकली प्रिंटेड सेकंड इट मस्ट बी गिवन ए नेम टू आइडेंटिफाई इट थर्ड ऑप्शन इज इट डज नॉट नीड ए नेम फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज it only need a name if it is not going to be printed. So right answer is B option. It must be given a name to identify it. B option is right answer. Office LANs which are scattered geographically on large scale can be connected by the use of corporate dash. First option CAN, second LAN, third DAN, fourth WAN. The right answer is fourth option 1. D option is right answer. Where are data and programs stored when the processor use them? First option main memory, second secondary memory, third disk memory, fourth program memory. Right answer is first option main memory. Dash represents raw fact whereas dash is data made meaningful. तो दुईटा डैश देछि तुमर ऑप्शन देछि इनफॉरमेशन रिपोर्टिंग डाटा इनफॉरमेशन बिट्स रेकॉर्ड बाइट्स. तो आउथरे क्वेश्चन देखि नबा डैश रिप्रेजेंट्स raw fact whereas dash is data made meaningful. The right answer is B option. Data represent raw fact whereas information is data made meaningful. है B option right रहियो. तो next देखो what character is read only memory make it useful. तो ROM रो गोटे कोटा characteristics. तो right answer is B option. Data in ROM is non volatile, that is it remains there even without electric power. B option is right answer. What do you call the program that are used to find out possible fault and their causes? First option is operating system extension, second cookies, third diagnostic software, fourth boot diskette. So right answer is diagnostic software. Which programming language are classified as low level language? Right answer is D option assembly language. Which of the following is not antivirus software? Not a antivirus software. तो right answer is Oracle. C option right answer रहिबो. Which device is required for the internet connection? Joystick, modem, CD drive, NIC card. Right answer is B option modem. What does DMA stands for? DMA stands for direct memory access. B option right answer रहिबो. Which of the following is a storage device? Tape, hard disk, floppy disk, all of the above. Storage device होची सब गुड़ाक tape, hard disk, floppy disk. The right answer is D option all of the above. When did John Napier develop logarithm? तो logarithm केबे John Napier develop करिथिले? Right answer is 1614. B option is right answer. A normal CD-ROM usually can store up to dash data. तो CD-ROM रे usually केते data store होके रही थाए. तो right answer is C option 680 MB. CD-ROM रे. Next देखो MIS is designed to provide information needed for effective decision making by dash. MIS is designed for managers. D option is right answer. What is the light pen? What is a light pen? तो आगुर में आमे एटा डिस्कशन करिथिलु. Light pen is a optical input device. B option is right answer. BCD is dash. BCD is binary coded decimal. A option is right answer. BCD is binary coded decimal. ASCII stands for dash. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. C option is right answer. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Next, which of the following is first generation of computer? First generation computer ro कोउटा गोटे EDSAC, EDSAC. तो यहाँ हूँ फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर है मन रखियो. नेक्स्ट देखो चिप कंपोनेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर वाज डैश. फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर चिप कंपोनेंट कोउटा वैक्यूम ट्यूब एंड भाल्व. वैक्यूम ट्यूब और भाल्व लगी ट्रांजिस्टरटा सेकेंड लगी. बी ऑप्शन इज राइट आंसर वैक्यूम ट्यूब एंड भाल्व. फॉर्टन इज डैश फाइल ट्रांसलेशन, फॉर्मेट ट्रांसलेशन, फॉर्मूला ट्रांसलेशन, फ्लॉपी ट्रांसलेशन. राइट आंसर इज फॉर्मूला ट्रांसलेशन. फॉर्टन इज फॉर्मूला ट्रांसलेशन. सी ऑप्शन इज राइट आंसर. EEPROM stands for Electronic Erasable Programmable Read Only Memory. C option is right answer. Second generation computers were developed during dash. Second generation computer were developed during 1956 to 1965. B option is right answer. The computer size was very large in dash. Computer size was very large in first generation. Microprocessor as switching device are for which generation computer? Microprocessors आर स्विचिंग डिवाइस फॉर व्हिच जनरेशन कंप्यूटर। द राइट आंसर इज 4th जनरेशन कंप्यूटर। तो आम आज एति क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कसन करवा। नेक्स्ट आउ किसी क्वेश्चन सहित आसबि। तो मुझे डिस्कसन ब्रीफली करूना कहीं ऑलरेडी एगुड़ाक तुम पढ़ी सारी मो क्लास कर सारी। तो तुम्हें देखी नब जदि कौटा तुम डाउट रोचे मतलब कमेंट सेक्शन में जनइब, अदरवाइज व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप रे जॉइन हो। तो मोर मोटर हूँ कि तुम पाखक अधिका क्वेश्चन पहुँचा जब डिस्कसन करी तेज क्लास नेला भाया ही हो। जदि कौटारे डाउट रोचे तेज कमेंट सेक्शन में पचारि पार बा गूगल सर्च कर कि तुम्हें निजर बुक फॉलो कर पार। जदि तथा क्लीयर होनी तो मत पचार व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप रे जॉइन हो। अदरवाइज ये डिस्कसन कले बहुत लेंथी हो कहीं आम ऑलरेडी क्लास उपर कर सारी है। तो जदि वीडियो भल लगी था तेज लाइक कमेंट शेयर निहाती करियो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करियो। तो एग्जाम पूर्व मो पाखापाखि तुमको 1000टा क्वेश्चन आंसर प्रोवाइड करदेवी। तो से अनुसार देखु था जदि भल लगे तेज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करियो। थैंक यू।